This October is a very busy month for smartphone brands in China. Vivo has just launched the Vivo X200 series of smartphones powered by the Dimensity 9400 chipset. On October 24th, Oppo will unveil the Find X8 and Find X8 Pro smartphones. The Honor Magic 7 series is all set to break cover on October 30th. The Xiaomi 15 series, the OnePlus 13, and iQOO 13 are also expected to launch in the last week of this month. Now, Realme has officially revealed that its GT7 Pro will debut this month. The company's upcoming flagship smartphone had the key specs of the rear camera revealed: a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 telephoto shooter, and a 32-megapixel front camera. The smartphone has already been approved in China's 3C certification platform. The Realme GT7 Pro has a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 120W fast charger. A new leak render shows the possible design of the Realme GT7 Pro. Weibo, Tipster digital chat station, has revealed that a new smartphone, likely the Realme GT7 Pro, will be equipped with the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, is expected to ship with up to 24GB of RAM, up to 1TB of storage. The handset is tipped to ship with Android 15-based Realme UI. The Realme GT7 Pro is rumored to be launching with a solid-state camera control button. The GT7 Pro is expected to come with a 6.78-inch BOE screen, offering a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a micro-quad curve design. The Realme GT7 Pro will be Realme's first phone to offer IP69 level dust and water resistance. Also, it will be the company's first phone to feature a single-point ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.